So this is the African mahogany that we milled from that old tree that was planted in 1940 at the University of Florida Research Facility, and went down in Hurricane Wilma. We were contacted to see if we were interested in milling this. It was an 8-foot diameter trunk. That means not 8 foot around, but 8 foot across. And this is just one of the handful of top cuts that we got out of the log, and we're not even halfway through it yet, so it's gonna be quite a bit of wide stuff that we got to cut down and use some of the carving tools to go ahead and create a live edge to blend everything in, which is always fun to do. Gonna fill some cracks with black epoxy, sand this all down, excavate any loose material, tape it up, flip it over, and then do the same to the other side and pour the epoxy to fill the cracks, and then we'll go ahead and plane it. Excited to get this started. It's going to be some amazing grain that comes out of this. It's a really unique character, and this is in a rough cut state, so it's as bad as it's going to look. It'll only get better with each step of the process.